Hi guys, I go by the name Soji Gray and I'm excited to share with you a new feature on Instagram called Reels Ads. This is a new way for brands and businesses to reach an even wider audience on Instagram through the use of short form videos. In this video, I'll show you how to create Reels ads. It's very simple and easy to do. But before we proceed, there are certain things to take note of. First, Reels ads would have to be in full screen vertical format and should not exceed 60 seconds. Also, adding music or sound to your video is highly recommended to better fit the Reels placement. To proceed, the first thing you want to do is go to business.facebook.com on your browser. Once we have that opened, you're going to go to the business account you want to run the ads through. So I'm going to click that. It's going to load up. And then we're going to select Ads Manager around the top left corner of the web page. Now to proceed, you would see a create button. It's a green button on the top left. We're going to click that. And then we're going to select our campaign objective. So what I'm trying to do now is to run an awareness campaign for an earphone I'm selling. So I'm going to select reach, and then I'm going to fill this at the bottom. So the campaign name is going to be earphone sales. The ad set is going to be called audio files. And then the ad is going to be named earphone video. We're going to click continue. And once we do, we're going to make sure everything checks right. I think it's okay. You don't need to do much here. We're going to click next. Now what we want to do next is to set our lifetime budget. Now the budget for this campaign is going to be $50. So I'm going to click the budget side, select lifetime budget, and then I'll make sure that the lifetime budget is $50. Now I'm going to set my start and end date. Start date is going to be 5th August. End date is going to be 7th August. Now once we have that, we're going to come to the audience. Usually you'd have to create a new audience. However, if you have a saved audience, you can select that as well if it matches what you're doing or the campaign you're running. So for me, I already have an audio files audience I've created, so I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to come down to placement. Now, because we are doing a tutorial on how to run Reels, I'm going to show you how to run Reels using Ads Manager. So we're not going to select automatic. Instead, we're going to select manual placements. And then because we want to run just these ads on Instagram, I'm going to untick Facebook, audience network, with the exception of Instagram. I'm going to untick Instagram feed, Instagram Explore, and under stories and reels, we have Instagram reels. We're going to select that, untick Instagram stories, and that will be it. And the next thing we want to do is click the next button at the bottom right. And under identity, we'd have to select the Instagram page we want to run the ads on. So I'm going to select the device hub, and then we already have single video at the ad setup section. At ad creative, we're going to add video, and then we're going to upload the video we want to use to run the ads. Click open, and then what's going to happen now is going to upload the video. In the meantime, I'll just have to fill the primary text. So what I want to write is that experience music like never before. Once we have that, I think it works. Maybe let me add call or text as for instance delivery. we're going to wait a while for the video to process, and then we're going to come to this section which is called the add a website URL. Now there's a tick box here. Once we tick it, it gives us the option to add a website URL. Now why is this important? For example, if you'd want to run the ads and then redirect the people you're going to target to, say, your Instagram Reels or your IGTV video section, then you can import or you can include that link over here. So what we're going to do is going to click add to add a new web page, and we're going to go to Instagram. So we click enter on the address bar. Instagram is going to load up. We're going to go to our profile, and what we are looking for is, for example, Reels, because we want to redirect people to come and have a look at our Reels. So now I'm going to come to the address bar and I'll copy the address, and then this is what I'm going to insert into the website URL section. Now as you can see, we already have our Reels on the right side. It's just giving us, an overview of how it's going to look like. Our call to action is very important, and we're going to select shop now since it's a product and we expect the target audience to come and have some shopping experience on our page. Now with that being said, this is all we need. Everything checks right. We're going to click publish, and that is that. This is such an easy way to set up Reels ads in Ads Manager. It's such an amazing feature that brands and businesses can utilize to reach their intended audience. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm Soji Gray, and I'll catch you in the next one.